Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to quickly look about the new Google Home Nest Mini and compare it with old Google Home Mini. We are going to see what the major change they made with the new Nest in order to upgrade from the old Home Mini. Before get started, if you are new here and have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to us. We upload product unboxing related videos every week. In the very beginning, let's unbox the new Google Home Nest Mini. A side note, this brand new Nest Mini provided us for free as Google YouTube Premium subscriber. You may know about this in the USA, Google provided free Nest Mini for their YouTube paid subscriber and we got one too. This is what looks like the brand new Google Home Mini packaging box. In the market retail price of this Nest Mini is about $50 without any discount. If you want to look at this product, I have posted a link in the description. Let's see what they have included in their Nest Mini box. If you are using old Google Home Mini, boxing is just about the same, but they have changed some major features in the product. I will explain to you later what they changed. First, let's see how the product looks like. Let's compare with old one. As you saw, one of the major change is the micro USB plug, that is no more usable on this new Nest Mini. Instead of micro USB plug, you get the round plug. It's not a big change, but you will not able to switch the USB plug from old to new Mini. It's a real step up in sound. Low bass and mid-range tones are much clearer, with a level of separation in frequencies that didn't exist in the original Home Mini. Music sounds a lot clearer. Along with sound improvements, the Nest Mini adds a third microphone compared to the Home Mini. Google claims this will allow the second generation model to respond to voice better and faster than the original model. Another change is screw mount. Google added a screw mount on the rear in the Nest Mini, which allows the device to be wall hung. After Google knows that the high demand for wall mount for their old Home Mini, Google just made it easier for its customers. This change makes the Nest Mini much more flexible when it comes to placement, given the wall hung option is built in rather than requiring an additional accessory.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song.
There's also a new sensor under the fabric cover that detects when you're reaching for the Mini. It lights up the volume control buttons on the side of the speaker when it detects your hand nearby. This is great when it works. As the volume comparison of old Home Mini, they add reverse function. Like the right side for down and left for volume up, this is the opposite of the old Mini. Like Google's other smart speaker devices, you interact with the Nest Mini by saying "Hey Google." The LEDs in the middle of the puck then light up to let you know it's listening, and you can give it a command like "Tell me the weather." Google has added a third microphone to help the Nest Mini hear those commands. Another big new feature in this update is a dedicated machine learning chip. This allows the Nest Mini to learn your voice better, and speeds up the response time, since in many cases it will be processed locally rather than sent to Google's servers. You'll still need a Wi-Fi connection, and all of your voice recordings are still sent to Google. But after using some time for these two bad boys, I learned old Mini can catch easily other people's voice rather than a commanded person. Like if we play anything on the phone that's saying "Hey Google," old Mini can catch that command, but they improved it in the new one. In the end, the Google Nest Mini is not reflating, retains the cute, compact design of the Home Mini that we expected, but yes, it is built-in wall mount is the far better improvement to have. Also the sound quality is somehow great. Added more on-device control and adds an extra microphone for a better voice response, whilst retaining the same price. If you are looking to replace just an old Mini in the same budget, I will recommend the new Nest Mini over the old Home Mini.
Oh, this is everything with you right next to me.
Thank you for visiting my channel. I hope you got some idea about the new Nest Mini on this video. If you like to see more about the product, there is a link in the description. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please help us by subscribing to the channel. I will see you on next video.
So alive, and tonight I'm thinking